At long last, the true bullish indicator has made its appearance. All of the community is discussing the fact that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has no chance of winning the legal case against Ripple. The fact that this legal proceeding has been going on for more than 4 years is the primary factor that has prevented the price of XRP+Ripple from increasing. Nevertheless, the times are shifting and analysts forecast that growth will reach $589 very soon. Even though it sounds strange, what are you able to do? Step by step, let's figure out what's going on. I hereby defer. Since the beginning of the continuing legal battle between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission in December 2020, the cryptocurrency community has been completely enthralled by the situation. On October 10, 2024, just a few days after the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) filed its own appeal, Ripple recently took the dispute to the next level by filing a cross-appeal. According to the explanation provided by Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderode, the decision was made with the intention of ensuring that any and all options are exhausted. Ripple's determination to plug every potential gap in the case is highlighted by this comment, which was tweeted by Jack the Rippler, an advocate for distributed ledger technology XRP. A basic argument that lies at the heart of the lawsuit is whether or not XRP, which is Ripple's native cryptocurrency, ought to be categorized as a security. In August of 2023, Judge Analisa Torres issued a ruling that resulted in a variety of outcomes. She came to the conclusion that Ripple was in violation of securities rules when it sold XRP to institutional investors, which resulted in the company being subject to a significant penalty of $125 million, significantly higher than the company's proposed amount of $10 million, but significantly lower than the SEC's unreasonable demand of $2 billion. The revolutionary decision that Ripple's sales of XRP to secondary markets did not meet the criteria for securities overshadowed this fine, despite the fact that it was a large amount. This victory was extremely significant for Ripple and the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole, as it has the potential to establish a standard for other digital assets. In spite of this partial win, the ruling did not eliminate the possibility of such infractions in the future. It most likely played a role in Ripple's decision to submit the cross-appeal. Ripple has taken this action to demonstrate its proactive approach in ensuring that its long-term business model, particularly in secondary markets, is entirely safeguarded from additional scrutiny by the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) appears to be displeased with the decision that XRP is not a security when it is sold on exchanges, as seen by the notice of appeal that it filed on October 3rd. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is reportedly challenging Judge Torres' application of the Howey test, which is the legal framework that is used to determine whether an asset qualifies as a security. Although the Commission has not fully revealed the specifics of its appeal, many people in the industry, including Eleanor Terrett, a business reporter for Fox News, speculate that the challenge is being made. Despite the fact that it was unsuccessful in arguing that XRP programmatic sales do not come under securities regulation, the Securities and Exchange Commission makes it appear as though it is hesitant to let go of this matter easy. Alderode, on the other hand, has indicated his conviction that the appeal made by the SEC is devoid of any basis. From his point of view, the fundamental incentive behind the Commission's actions is the fact that it was unable to achieve a decisive victory in the case. All of the important points were lost by the SEC. Ripple's conviction that the SEC's arguments are weak and unlikely to hold up under additional investigation was signaled by his tweet, which stated that this is the reason why they applied for an appeal. In addition, just when you thought the XRP Ripple case couldn't possibly grow any more significant, cryptocurrency specialists are now referring to it as the turning point for the entire market. What is the muttering? They are forecasting that the value of XRP could plummet by an astounding 100,000% in the near future. Seems implausible, doesn't it? Wait, there's more to the story than meets the eye. Stay with us as we dissect the reasons why this court case has the potential to spark the next revolution in cryptocurrency. Let's jump right in. XRP dominance is bullish, according to a tweet that was recently posted by Random Crypto Pal. This tweet highlights a significant period in which XRP's market dominance may likely increase. His forecast is founded on the application of technical analysis. The identification of a green line that, once crossed, has the potential to cause significant price increases. And if the price of XRP rises above the red zone, as far as he is concerned, we might be in for a period of significant expansion. Trading professionals are keeping a close eye on a number of signals, and this is just one of them. XRP Captain, another voice in the XRP community, tweeted that XRP has reached $20, despite the fact that analysts have stated that they have never seen a bull flag for such a lengthy period of time. The bull flag that he is referring to is a traditional chart pattern that frequently symbolizes a breakout, and many people believe that the moment has arrived for XRP to make its debut. It was taken to an even higher level by Jack the Rippler, a well-known player in the industry, who asserted that XRP has the ability to skyrocket to $50 overnight. The current price behavior of XRP is being interpreted by other experts as the quiet before the storm, which is a bold remark that is being echoed by other experts. Among the predictions that have generated the greatest controversy is the one made by Aminix, a well-respected crypto analyst on X, who has established a goal that is difficult to ignore: $589. You have it right. one that is in the triple digits. The creation of symmetrical triangles is the basis for this aim, as stated by Mnemonics, which is based on past patterns in the price chart of XRP. In his explanation, he refers to a structure that was there prior to the stratospheric increase of XRP between 2017 and 2018, during which time the asset had a surge of over 75,000% and reached its all-time high of around $4. Currently, he is of the opinion that XRP is once again at a crucial crossroads, breaking out of a pattern of consolidation that lasted for 7 years. The price of XRP did increase to 60 cents during the course of the weekend, which Mnemonics views to be the beginning of its breakout from the triangle. There is no doubt in his mind that he will reach the goal of $589. In a tweet, he stated that this will occur regardless of how hard you try to reject it. In spite of the fact that it is not yet known whether or not this prediction will come true, it has undoubtedly created a heated debate within the cryptocurrency community. Therefore, XRP's utility goes beyond what it was initially designed for. More decentralized finance apps are being created on the XRP ledger, and smart contract capability is being developed. As a result, the digital currency has a lot more to offer than it did during its most recent significant gain. Because of this increased ecosystem, many people believe that XRP has a bigger potential for price gain than it had 7 years ago. This is a crucial reason. It is essential to keep in mind that the cryptocurrency industry is notorious for its lack of predictability, even while the possibility of XRP hitting $589 would appear completely implausible to some people. The thought that XRP could reach triple digits is not outside the realm of possibilities, especially when considering the historical precedent and the growing demand for its technology. In the same way that nobody anticipated that Bitcoin would rise past $60,000 in 2021, the idea of XRP reaching triple digits is plausible. It is so evident that regardless of whether XRP reaches $20, $50, or even the astounding $589 that Mnemonics forecasts, one thing is certain: XRP is currently at a crossing point. It is possible that the digital asset is on the verge of seeing yet another large price fluctuation as more attention is being drawn to the continuing legal struggle that Ripple is engaged in and the expansion of its ecosystem. However, this is when things start to become really fascinating. Not only is XRP causing a stir, but it is also getting ready to seize control of the entire financial industry. Ripple, which is a form of cryptocurrency, will soon be used and held by everyone, from your next-door neighbor to the largest banks. Also, why should you be concerned? Due to the fact that the signals that we are currently observing are only the tip of the iceberg. That bullish signal has the potential to transform everything. Believing me, you are going to be interested in viewing this. Let's jump right in. This newest news regarding Canary Capital registering for an XRP exchange-traded fund ETF is a game-changer for holders of XRP, as well as for the entire cryptocurrency industry. Exchange-traded funds, often known as ETFs, are similar to a basket of assets that investors can purchase. However, rather than purchasing the assets themselves, investors purchase shares of the ETF, which has the ability to follow the performance of individual assets. Imagine it as a basket filled with fruit. It is possible to purchase the basket if you are interested in having access to apples, oranges, and bananas but do not wish to purchase each of these items separately. The fact that it is handled by specialists makes it easier, more convenient, and frequently safer than other options. Let's pretend that the fruit basket was actually XRP. The exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP would provide this. It would not be necessary for investors to purchase and keep XRP on their own. Alternatively, they could purchase shares in an exchange-traded fund ETF that holds XRP on their behalf. The implications of this are extremely significant for those who possess XRP. The door might be open for institutional money, large players such as hedge funds and pension funds, as well as traditional investors who are interested in gaining exposure to Bitcoin but do not want to deal with the intricacies of managing cryptocurrency wallets. The filing made by Canary Capital demonstrates that there is a growing interest among institutions in XRP. Bitcoin reached a new all-time high shortly after an exchange-traded fund ETF based on Bitcoin was approved, and this news comes shortly after that. It would not be difficult for XRP to follow this path. XRP's next major rise is expected to be triggered by this exchange-traded fund ETF, according to a number of investors.